It's raining. Ayun na. Ayan. Okay, so for today's video, we will check. Oh, no! Come on. Come on. Down. Five. Tama. Ayun. See? Ilan ba? Dalawa na. So, lagay natin dito is 30 at saka 6, 2. Ayan. Then moving on, may nakita pa ako dito eh. Dito ba? Yeah. So, 6, 2. And then dito we have 3. Fertile na. Fertile na yan. And tapos dito we have also 3. Fertile na din yan. Come on, show us your 3. Come on! Ayun. So, ano na to? Ayan, ulan ulit. So, it's the start of the second phase of the breeding season for 2025. So, since ano na, it's rainy season again, so it's cooler this time around. So, they're now into the breeding mode for the Sanfon meal. Good job! Ito ba? Wala pa to, no? Wala pa.